Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 11th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full down analysis on the Euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So all the dollar pairs did continue the downtrend pretty nice today. Today was a U.S. bank holiday, so I didn't expect so much movement, but I think with the election last week and the shock of Trump becoming the new president, the markets are definitely pretty volatile. So I put this Fibonacci back on here because I just wanted to show you I constantly talk about three-wave pullbacks. Look what happened today. 1, 2, 3 waves up. 38% Fibonacci bounce, engulfing move to the downside, and a perfect little series of lower lows, lower highs to come afterwards. Perfect little ABC correction right there. I constantly talk about trading with the trend and looking for three-way pullbacks, and today was a perfect example of an ABC engulfing up, which is exactly what I look for on a day-to-day basis. So we are approaching the previous lows on the daily time frame, but there's definitely no reason to think the trend is over yet. We should be trading with the trend, so I think we should continue to look for three-way pullbacks as long as this series of lower lows, lower highs continues on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.